welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, we are continuing our series of the ultimatemedium.com course, part 16 of 30, and today we are going to be talking about how to import your existing email list to medium.com. So guys, once you are in your audience stats, you can see it on your story stats. You are gonna want to click view details, and then there is an option to click import email list. I cannot show you because you will see my emails then, so you will see this page then. So I'll click I agree to the terms of use. These emails must have taken the decision themselves that they want to join your email list. This is what the terms of use are saying. So they say to select contacts. So what I'm going to do, my friends, is create a new export from my what do you call it, Substack. I have got 8 emails over there, 8 emails. So I'm going to export it from the settings. It's down at the bottom. I don't use Substack that much, but still I have got 8 emails, 8 emails in the list. So they are exporting my data. It's not that much, to be honest with you, but I'll download it and just open it up. See what's it's an email list. This is the email list. So I'll just extract the email list. I think I have extracted it, and now I'm going to go to my download section. This is the email list. So I'll go back over here and select the contacts. They say we will notify you once the upload is complete. So I'll click upload and they will email me in 30 minutes. So this is how you do it, my friends. This is how you export your import your email list to Medium. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Stay tuned, as part 17 is coming right up.